Hi, this is Tony at the Red Power Team. Today we're going to be covering how to remove your meter on your 2000 series planter. In order to do that, we have a couple of things we want to disconnect first. We're going to come up top to our bulk fill connection. We're going to twist it and pull that off. From there, we're going to come down to the side and we have our power to our V-drive motor. If we squeeze in on the clip and pull it out, we'll disconnect that connector. And then we're going to remove our harness out of the holder. From there, we're going to slide back to our back, and there's a lock collar on our back tube that we want to slide back. And if we wiggle that back tube, it'll come right off for you. Once we have those three things removed, we can then now come up and unclip our meter off our row unit. Once we unclip our meter off the unit, we just lift it up and we can pull our meter off. In order to reassemble our meter back to the row unit, we're going to come up, we're going to slide our meter right back on the row unit. As we bring this down, there's a hole that this has to fall into. You can kind of just wiggle it back and forth and push down and it'll clip in. From there we can clip our meter back on. We can come back up to our bulk fill holes, twist and put that on. Our wire for our V-drive, we can clip that in the holder, and then we're going to slide our connector back into our V-drive motor until it clips in and is held firmly. We come back to our vacuum tube. We're going to slip it on, and we might think it's on, but it's not. There's actually two ribs here we have to get it over. We're going to pull it over the second rib and then slide our lock collar back over the top in order to get that back hose locked back on. Once we've completed that, we have our meter reassembled back on our 2000 series planter. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found the information helpful. Check out other helpful videos on 2000 series planter on the Red Power Team YouTube channel. Thank you.